Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Among Us mobile mod menu. So let's start. First open settings and scroll down to general. Now go to background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now close the settings app and open a browser. Now enter the URL appzilla.vip. Here you will see Among Us app. If you don't find it, then type in the search bar. Now tap on Among Us++. Then tap on Start Injection. Now wait till the injection is completed. Now you have to verify that you are a human, not a robot. You have to download this app and fill up the requirements. And then you can download the Among Us++ app and install it. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.